This video shows how to buy shares of K2A Knaust Andersson Fastigheter AB. K2A is a Swedish residential real estate company focused on property management and development. It trades on CBOE Europe under the ticker K2AB.ST. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker K2AB.ST to find the listing. Select the matching result for K2A Knaust Andersson Fastigheter AB to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart. Confirm the market is CBOE EU and that the ticker K2AB.ST matches the company name to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest and select the order type, then review the details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the trade. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description below.